Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We will discuss today of the next letters of the Arabic alphabets and grammars. And in the previous lecture, we was discussed on the 4 and 5, 6 letters of the Arabic alphabets and saw to Zo. And we are starting today next 6 or 7 letter in this lecture. After the Za is next letter is coming Ain. Ain is a throatal letter. Ain. You pronounce of this letter of your throat and middle of your throats. Ain. And next letter is Ghain. Ghain. Ain and Ghain both are same shapes, but what is the difference in between Ain and Ghain? Both are different just in the dots. Ain has always time is never dots, and Ghain always time coming a dot at the top. And this is the difference in between Ain and Ghain. Both are pronouncing with the throats. Next letter is Fa. Fa. And when we are reading of Fa, we are use our lips. Fa. Fa. This is in lips letters. Next letter is Qaf. Qaf. This is a heavy accent letter. And what is the difference in between Fa and Qaf? Both have a different shapes. Fa looks like a boat shape, and beginning part looks like circle, and then come one dot at the top. This is a Fa. And Qaf is beginning part of the Qaf, looks like circle, but two dot at the top on the Qaf. This is different in between Fa and Qaf in the dots. And after the Qaf is the next letter is Kaf. Qaf and Kaf. Both are sounds is similar but different is this accents. Qaf, when is coming with two dots, this is a bold sound and heavy sound of this Qaf. And when it's Kaf, this is a different shape of the Qaf. So this is sound is Kaf. Kaf, not Qaf. When you say Qaf or Kaf, so in the Holy Quran is the go-to meaning is chant. So that's why when we want to read with correct rules of the Tajweed, Qaf and Kaf, we need to be focused on the sounds on the Qaf and Kaf. Thanks. Inshallah. And next lecture we will discuss of the other letters after Lam to Ya.